Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to use remote desktop in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Remote desktop allows you to access and control your Windows PC from another device as if you were physically present. This feature is useful for remote work, troubleshooting, and managing servers. However, enabling it opens a network port, so it should be used cautiously in trusted environments. How to connect using remote desktop. First, on the remote PC, ensure remote desktop connections is enabled. Our video on how to enable or disable remote desktop connections in Windows might help. The link is in the description below. Second, on the remote PC, find the PC name under Settings, System, About, or locate the local or public IP address. On the local PC, open Remote Desktop Connection, Windows key +R, type MSTSC, and hit Enter. Enter the PC name or IP address of the remote PC in the computer field. Click on Show Options. Then enter the account username of the remote PC in the username field. From Show Options, you can also save the current connection settings to an RDP file, open a saved connection from the Connection Settings section, or adjust other settings in the Display, Local Resources, Experience, and Advanced tabs. Click Connect, enter credentials, and start the session. You can use the PC name or the local IP address of the remote computer if both devices are on the same local network. If the device is outside the local network, you need to use the public IP address of the remote computer. Note: if the remote computer is running Windows, you'll need to set a password for the user account you're logging into. Without a password, you may encounter errors when trying to connect. Difference between remote desktop and remote assistance. Both use remote desktop protocol, RDP, but serve different purposes. Remote desktop allows full control over a remote PC, logging in as if you were physically present. Best for remote work or server management. Remote assistance lets a helper view and assist with troubleshooting but requires permission from the user. Ideal for tech support or helping friends. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.